Well, hello students, this is your computer teacher Devdeep sir once again back with another lesson of computer for you all. Now today we are going to study a new chapter, that is charts in MS Excel. So which chapter we are studying today? Charts in MS Excel. So this is the new chapter and all of you turn to page number 47. Page number 47 please. So charts in MS Excel. Alright, let us understand. Charts are pictorial representation of data. That means we represent data by the help of pictures in form of charts. Alright. So, please mark this. Charts are pictorial representation of data. Microsoft Excel offers a wide selection of charts which help you to enter data in a pictorial way. So in Microsoft Excel, the charts itself helps us to insert data in form of pictures. Alright? Now, basically with the help of the insert option, we can insert the different types of chart, which are column chart, line chart, pie chart, bar chart, etc. Now, different charts are created on the three important factors. The first important factor, data series, second data object and customization. What is data series? Okay. It is the foundation of any chart in the worksheet that you want to create. So basically all the charts are plotted by the help of the data points. And what are data objects? They are made up of varieties of elements called objects. Chart itself is made up of different objects. Okay. So those are called data objects. Customization of chart means basically you can design your own chart with your color, type, etc. Now why are charts useful? What are the advantages of it? Chart helps us to easily understand anything. With the help of chart, data and information can be presented before us in an attractive order. As compared to simple data statement, chart is more expressive. So chart conveys more than words. That is what it means, okay? Now there are different types of chart. Column chart, okay? The first important type of chart is column chart. The chart displays the data which changes over a period of time. So this chart is displaying the data which changes over a period of time. They are organized into the horizontal as well as the vertical axis, okay? Horizontal and vertical axis, x-axis, y-axis. That is how they are. Bar chart is also arranged in the similar order, just it is arranged in the pattern of columns. That is what. Line chart is basically a continuous data which are plotted by the help of the data points. Area chart displays the magnitude of change or differentiation over a period of time. Pie chart is basically used for representation of percentage or parts of a data. And donut chart is similar to that. Scatter chart is again based on the data points. Radar chart is basically plots data in regular concentric circle. Radar chart basically gives us the deviation points, okay? And surface chart is used for topographical chart representation. Stock chart is usually used for tracking stock market activity. Now, what are the components of chart? The horizontal axis, which is the x-axis, y-axis, the vertical axis, data series, or the data point, the points through which the plot can be plotted. Chart area, which is the area of the chart. Plot area, which is the chart area plus the entire area of the chart. Chart title is the text at which the text which is present at the top of a chart. Axis title are the axis notations for each and every axis, horizontal, vertical. Legend gives us the different points or icons for the chart. Data label gives information about a particular chart. Now the process of creating a chart is quite simple. You go to insert option, click on the chart group, and then you have to select a particular range till where you want to see the chart, and bingo, that is your chart. That is how it will be shown. Now the process of moving a chart is quite simple. You can drag it by the help of your mouse pointer as it changes into a placeholder. So basically with the help of placeholder we can drag it to any particular position. And similarly we can also resize, that is make the chart smaller or bigger by dragging the placeholder down or up, okay, this way. Now please write down the questions for your homework. The first question. What is a chart? Question number 2. What are the uses of a chart? What is data series? Third question. What is data series? And question 4, final question for today. What are the advantages? What are the advantages of chart? Let us add one more question. Total 5 questions. Let us give you all. The 5th question. Name the different types of chart. So these 5 questions you have to do it in your computer copy and submit your answers given according to the date of submission mentioned. Please follow the copy submission routine and submit this work accordingly. Thank you.